Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about PC sales for regularly. We do talk about it, and of course, PC sales are on the rise this year, and seem to be even going faster as we are going towards Christmas. And 2025 is supposed to be a pretty good year for PC sales too, as a lot of the analysts think that with Windows 10 end of support, a lot of people will buy new computers. But what's interesting is what's the portion of PCs that are sold right now that are AI capable? And there's some interesting numbers coming out of Canalys. This one is the first. What are the percentage of PCs sold that have AI capabilities? And especially if you look at Windows. So Mac OS for 2023, 2024, first quarter, second quarter, were Macs because the M chips, the new ARM chips on the Mac computers, are NPU and AI capable. But now, in the third quarter of 2024, Windows PCs beat the Mac OS PCs or the Apple PCs in terms of AI PC sales. That means that there's a lot more PCs sold now that are probably branded Copilot+PC that have NPUs and are capable of AI and running recall, for example. The other interesting number here is also about the percentage of Windows PC sales in 2025 that are expected. So this is interesting because Copilot+PCs are going to rise. As you see here, the percentage of PCs that are Copilot+PC capable are going to be interesting in sales. It's like 30%, more than 30% is mean almost 1/3 of PCs could technically be Copilot+PCs or AI PCs coming up in the next few days or weeks or months. So this is definitely something interesting to look at, as this is rising and rising maybe faster than we thought. In 2025, it's expected by Canalys that close to half of the PCs sold will be AI capable and maybe even more. So, as prices go down also, this is going to help a lot. But it seems that we're going to the AI PCs in the next few years. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.